Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Director Carson. For the next Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 13. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Soul Power.
What's so awesome that you had to bring me all the way out here?
Check it out. Voice activated controls. Start engine.
Whoa, very awesome, Tails.
Let me try. Give me a chocolate shake. Vanilla. I asked for chocolate. Fail. Ah!
Still working out the
It's spill on Sonic.
There's a towel back at the workshop.
What the heck? What is going on? What is that noise? Wait a second. Was that Sonic?
Voice control. I don't mean to be bossy, but don't crash!
Huh? Who's that down there in the deep pit? Is that Sonic who running make that noise? What the? Is that lava in the deep pit in the desert like from Season 1, Episode 1? Sonic, save your tails. Your friend. Good idea, Sonic. Jump like from the beginning.
Bad idea when you're screaming.
I wouldn't have been screaming if you weren't making that horrible noise.
What noise? I didn't hear any noise.
Wait a minute. I bet because you're faster than the speed of sound, you don't hear it.
I'll prove it wasn't me. When I start running and nothing happens, you're going to feel so dumb.
Or not.
Now that's just circumstantial evidence.
Sonic, I'm gonna run a few tests to figure out what's wrong with you. What's wrong with you? Until we get to the bottom of this, you better not run.
Alright, no problem.
Sonic, you hear Tails. Don't run. If you do, it'll make that sound.
Sonic, you were supposed to bring the volleyball.
Oh, sorry. I'll just zip home and get it. And by zip, I mean walk slowly and deliberately.
That's right, Sonic. Do what Tails said. One mile. 2 mile.
Is this what average people do? This is nuts.
3 mile. Founded the ball. I mean volleyball, Sonic.
Guys, robot attack at 6 o'clock. I can't do 6 o'clock. I have tickets to the opera. Oh wait, that's someone else. Behind you!
Sonic, don't run, make that sound. Let your friends handle it.
Sonic, we got this.
Way to go, Nux! A left, then a right, then another left. Wait, which one am I on?
Knuckles, don't stand, just fight!
Sticks, your best move here is a spin attack.
That's your move, not mine. Uh-oh.
Yeah! Give him a taste of your secret triple backflip move.
It's not a secret if you tell everyone. This ends now.
Hey, I thought you were talking about them.
Sonic, why you're tied up
Sure,
yourself?
like you can do this without
Oh yeah, because you cannot run while you make that sound. But your friends defeat the robots.
Eggman, Wait, what do you mean, someone else?
I didn't send out these crab bots. Orbot and Qbot were dusting and accidentally hit a button in the lair.
So, you weren't behind this?
Looks like you don't need to be a genius to be an evil genius anymore. Makes me feel kind of unneeded.
I guess we have something in common.
You eat popcorn when you're depressed too?
No. You know, the whole sitting on the sidelines thing?
Here, have some popcorn. You'll feel better. Okay, the doctor is in. Talk to me. Just because I'm your sworn enemy doesn't mean we can't be friends.
Sonic! Eggman's not your friend. If you listen to him, you're gonna end up tied to something.
Yeah, I wouldn't want that to happen.
I don't think this is a good idea, Sonic.
Well, you couldn't help me. I'm kind of out of options here. Whenever I run, there's this weird noise.
You know, that happens to Qbot when he gets into the motor oil. Let's go run some tests.
Dr. Eggman, can you free Sonic? Thank you.
I see. A classic case of velocity to energy ratio incompatibility.
Well, why is it happening now?
It comes with age, like wisdom. Nose hair.
Like what?
But not to worry, I have what you need right here.
Whoa, that's the coolest shoe I ever seen.
They'll prevent the sound loop that's causing the noise. And best of all, they're machine washable.
Well, how do I know this isn't another scheme of yours?
What, you think I'm planning a secret blister attack? If you don't want my help, you can always walk out of here.
Come on, Sonic. Just give it a try.
Okay.
Unless it fits for you.
Hey, there really was nothing. The noise is gone. Thanks, Egghead.
Don't mention it, buddy.
Now Sonic is better now.
Yeah! Sonic's back, baby!
Don't refer to yourself in the third person. It's creepy.
Yeah, Knuckles hates that.
Wait,
No, it's not.
No noise. I guess Eggman figured it out.
Yeah, power-absorbent insoles.
Yeah, Sonic, your shoes look like a dark side shoe.
Eggman actually helped me.
Oh my gosh, that robot from season 1 episode 3 kept coming back. Oh wait, it hasn't gone defeated from season 1 episode 14, the meteor,
Scott
huh?
is a robot. I didn't have time to name him because I was too busy planning this trap.
That robot from season 1 episode 3 has an upgrade on the shield arm. And laser eyes? Really?
It doesn't have a power source. How is that even possible?
That's right, Sonic. Run! Run!
Don't think so, Dr. Eggman. Sonic is still speeding up.
Sonic, stop! Your shoes are powering the robot. The faster you move, the stronger it gets.
Ooh, sneaky. I wish I'd thought of that. Oh, wait, I did.
Oh, well, that's easy to fix.
Did you die so hard, Sonic?
Oh, did I forget to mention, they don't come off.
We'll see about that, Eggy.
Yeah.
Ow.
Can't break them.
I'm not saying it'll be easy.
If Sonic's not running, why does the robot still have power?
Because the shoes store the energy that he generates. You see,
Are we really gonna do the thing where you explain how you did it?
the hardest part was getting that sound to play every time Sonic ran. I've actually prepared a brief presentation that explains the whole brilliant scheme. Do you know how long it took me to create that presentation? Here, I prepared a brief presentation that explains it step by step.
I don't know, maybe like minutes or seconds.
If you could could only see yourself right now. I took your greatest strength and made it into a weakness.
Sonic, do something.
Sonic, this is crazy!
No, it isn't. It's stupid.
Crazy.
Stupid.
Crazy.
Stupid.
Crazy.
Stupid.
No, it's brilliant!
I think Sonic's gonna speed up around it so it'll make it overload and explode.
That's too much. But seriously, slow down. It's overloading.
Sonic, finish him. That's a good idea, Sonic.
Now that we're done warming up, Sonic's gonna go for a run.
And you're keeping that shoe.
Do you guys think it's creepy when he refers to himself in the third person?
Yeah. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 19, Soul Power, the end. So everyone, don't you forget to like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos. So, goodbye.